So guys, right now we are in Tabo Monastery. We are just entering the monastery, and I'm gonna show you the monastery properly. But if they'll say I cannot film it, so I cannot do anything about it. But from here it looks good. So this is the monastery gate. As you can see, there is Tabo Monastery. It is written there. So this is the main gate of the monastery, and this is the bell here. We cannot take cameras or phones inside, so I cannot show you the monastery from inside, but I can show you it from outside. So guys, inside there's a big statue of Buddha, like really big, like from here to there. You won't be able to, I cannot show you because the cameras are not allowed, but still it is a really big statue of Buddha, and it is also beautiful. So now I'm gonna try to go inside this. I don't think so if I'll be able to film in there too, because the cameras are not allowed anywhere. But let's just see. If you are here after being in the temples, there are 9 temples in total, so you have to do clockwise rotation all over this monastery for good luck, and this is like the rule. If you are here, you should do this. It is not necessary, but if you want to, you can. So we are doing it, and I'm going to show you the whole path. So we started from there, and right now we just came here after being in the temple. So we went around the whole monastery, and now we are back at the main gate. Now we are going to leave the monastery and we are going to go to Kaza. Right now we are in Banka Monastery. We just parked a car there, right there. And now we are going inside. We are just waiting for those people to go inside. Don't be a Gama in the land of Lama. And you can see that's the new monastery and this is old monastery. And on the top, there is the temple. So here also there are these good wishing bells. this is about Dhankar Monastery. And after this, we'll go inside. We have to remove our shoes here too. So guys, that's the new monastery. I'm gonna zoom in, but I won't be able to zoom in a lot because otherwise the pixels are not gonna be good. But as you can see, there is snow there on the top of the mountain, and it looks magnificent. When we were coming here, army officials stopped us and they told us that there are leopards on the road, so you have to be a bit faster than usual because you don't want the leopards to attack you. So we were driving a bit fast but carefully, because that is the main thing. We have to be careful. But we didn't got to see any kind of leopard, which was a good thing because we don't want to be in any kind of danger. So that was a really good thing. But still, if you are gonna see this, it looks beautiful. It is really steep right now, and low-key, to be honest, I am also scared of going on the ledge, so I'm not going over there. I'm standing really far away. But it is scary to stand there. It is a really big drop. As you can see some houses in the video and they look really small. So I don't want to fall. So guys, we were gonna stop in Kaza, but then we thought it is just not the best place to be at because we have to go to Hikam. So now we are climbing to Hikam. We were thinking that we are gonna get bikes, but there is some problem with the bikes because of the taxi union. They don't let you rent bikes. So we are going with the car to Hikam. Then we are also gonna go to Comic, which is the highest village. Probably in India or in Asia. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. You can see the mountains and the snow, and it looks like there is a lot of snow. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. I think because of the altitude, or I don't know. I'm not sure about it, but it is not focusing properly. It is not focusing properly. But it is 20-minute drive from here, so roads are not that good. But still, probably you need to have a bigger car because that's gonna be better. It is gonna be easier for you to climb the mountain. Otherwise, smaller car is also fine, but you have to look into it and you have to be like a good driver to drive on these roads. Yeah, that's my friend. So I'll show you. That's my another friend. So I'll show you the board of Comic, highest motorable village in the world, 15,050 feet. So we'll be going there. So guys, finally we have reached the world's highest restaurant, and this is the monastery in Comic. This is the world highest village. Like the village is a bit down. We have to go down on the mountain, but this is the world's highest village. So as you can see, it is written, the name of the restaurant is World's Highest Village, and he's the owner of the restaurant. And these are few things which you can have here, but probably today there was a mishap because of a lot of air. It was flowing at a really high speed. The water tank just fell, so they cannot do anything for us, so we have to go down. But still, it is really nice and I'm really happy to be here. It is just an iconic thing to be at the world's highest restaurant. Like, I have been here and it is gonna be in my life that I have been in the world's highest restaurant. So I'm really happy for that. And I hope if you are coming here, the roads are not that bad. If you are even bringing your small car, you can drive it. But you need to know how to drive it properly. And you are gonna be happy and you'll be happy to be here. But there is only one thing here, and this is the monastery. This is the world's, not the world's highest, but this is the Comic Monastery. So we'll go down in some time. Thank you guys.